Hello everyone and welcome to my unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. If this is the first time you're watching my video, welcome to my channel. On my channel I like to share my latest Samsung Galaxy purchases and give you my first impressions. In my last video, I unboxed the S24 Ultra. I wanted to compare the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra side by side. Please keep watching for a side by side comparison of the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra. In this video, I will also unbox the official Samsung silicone case for the S24 Plus. This is the 256GB model in Cobalt Violet. Last year I upgraded my Note 20 Ultra for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This year I decided to try both the S24 Ultra and the S24 Plus to see which I'd like the best. On first impressions, I think this phone is absolutely beautiful. It has a 6.7-inch screen with aluminium frame and IP68 water resistant rating. The S24 Plus's sleek and stunning design makes it stand out from the crowd, especially in this vibrant purple color. On the bottom of the phone we see the speakers, the SIM card tray and the USB-C charging port which offers fast charging. This year both the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra offer Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED displays, whereas the regular S24 only offers the Full HD Plus display. Finally, we can compare the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra side by side, and you can really see each phone really does hold its own. Both phones offer 120Hz refresh rate. When comparing the battery life, the S24 Plus offers a 4900 mAh battery, whereas the S24 Ultra is not far away with a 5000 mAh battery. The S24 Plus weighs in at 196 grams, whereas the S24 Ultra weighs in at 232 grams. The curved edges of the S24 Plus do make the S24 Plus a lot easier to hold and handle compared to the new flat screen of the S24 Ultra. Can someone please tell me why Samsung decided to deliver a case in a big box on its own? Samsung offer a number of official cases for each of the Galaxy S24 phones. However, I do find that the ones that you can find on Amazon or eBay are a lot cheaper and frankly offer a lot more grip. On first impressions of unboxing this case, although it was lovely, it had a lovely suede feel to it, it didn't really offer much grip, and at times I felt that the phone would slip from my hand. The inside of the case is made of a hard plastic material. One of the benefits of buying the official Samsung Galaxy cases are that the camera cutouts on the case are exact and precise. As you can see from this case, it offers good camera protection as there are raised bezels not only in the cameras but also on the front of the screen as well. Now let's have a look at turning on the phone. If you're still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share. If you watched my unboxing video for the S23 Plus last year, you'll see the reason why I returned it, and again here you'll see the S24 Plus and the S24 regular do not offer S Pen compatibility. Why, Samsung, why? For those of you who don't know, I also use the Galaxy tablets, and I often find myself using the pen on my phone. Such a small reason, but a big enough reason for me to stick with the Ultra because of the S Pen compatibility. I know. Here I'm using the new artificial intelligence AI circle to search feature to look for the Galaxy case. Another new feature on the S24 series is the ability to customize the lock screen and add widgets, which is a really good handy feature if you just want to look at your phone and see what your battery is, what time it is, do you have any events. I think that's a really good step in the right direction, Samsung. So that's all for my unboxing video. I really hope you enjoyed the video and you stuck along to the end. If you haven't guessed it already, yes, I did decide to choose and stay with the S24 Ultra, just the S Pen. Such a small thing, but it makes a really big impact, especially on my day-to-day productivity. If I'm using the tablet, I would prefer to use the pen on my phone as well. Otherwise, I think the S24 Plus is a really good phone and offers a really good competition with the S24 Ultra. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to show your support. Please also don't forget to check the cards in this video and the links at the end to watch my other videos. And again, thanks for watching. Bye.